Welcome to Hoodwatch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Keep walking. Keep walking. Get out. Get out.
I'm just sorry. Sorry. I'm just looking around.
Get out.
Sorry.
It's crazy what these kids are willing to do just for a car. Make sure you arm yourselves too out there. Check this lady out. She comes onto this porch just to steal this plant. Soon we're not going to be able to have nothing nice on our porch.
I'm calling the police. I'm calling the police. Leave the plant. Leave the plant here.
Get away from my shed. Get away from my shed. Dumbass.
Very petty. This guy steals the wig off the skeleton. Is he going to use it for himself? Let me know if you could tell what this guy is saying.
How you doing, bro? Yeah? How you doing? I'm not much of a smart ass or anything. I don't have news or anything. What is going on tonight?
I have no idea what you're talking about. But we're all going to bed. Could you please?
Yeah.
Hello.
What can I do for you?
It's just, can I ask you a question?
Say what?
Can I ask you a
Yeah,
question?
what's the question?
Hey, my bad to bother abuse this time, but it's cause I'm trying to get to my home and my bike, I need a little bit gas. Can you try to
No,
help me
man.
with that?
No. No. Bye bye.
Let me know down in the comments. We going for the sob story or not? I see some people trying to celebrate Halloween early, and the haters are following right behind.
Hey, it's my cousin. Sit. Sit.
I'll call the police on you.
Make sure you keep those doors locked. Never know anybody's intentions.
Get out of here. I know. I see you. I'm calling the cops right now.
Hey, get away from that body.
Like I said earlier, make sure you keep those doors locked. This guy got on no shirt, no shoes. Depending on what he wants, this can go very bad. Watch out for
Hello.
these fake workers coming onto your property trying to steal. This guy really needed some sandals.
Sorry, we're not interested. Have a great day.
I'm looking for a tenant.
Watch the road. Dog's non-lethal. Oh, 10-4. Stay on the road. Stay on the road.
I say, don't come to my yard no more. Nah, don't fucking play with me. Stop trying to steal out people's fucking cars. We work. Lame ass niggas. Take y'all bitch ass to school.
As the holiday season gets closer, make sure you're finding ways to protect yourself. Don't forget about P.O. boxes, Amazon lockers, and pickup locations you can grab them from. Even if it's $5, nobody likes losing money.
That shit was just at the door.
Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. I'm seeing a lot of videos where people are coming and saying that they lost their dog in the yard.
We can't.
Ma'am,
What you need?
my dog is in your yard. I wouldn't have messed with you this late,
Call the
but I'm letting
police.
you know I'm gonna.
No, you get out of my
Are you there?
yard. Yeah, I'm here. You get out of my yard.
Okay.
Call the police.
Don't forget to keep those doors locked. Also, try not to leave any valuables or personal information in your vehicle just in case. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.
stand right here and watch me. You know what I'm saying? He's just funny like that. It's fine. Yeah. I gotta have the money to get it though. I don't have no more money. Okay, yeah, but you can't go all the way to the door. If he doesn't
What
know
are
you.
y'all doing on my property?
Yeah.
Thank you for watching Hoodwatch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.